I'm at the Kinze booth, and they're getting a lot of attention. They have a rotating grain cart here. You saw the prototype first at Farm Progress, and this is a grain cart with that corner auger, and a lot of innovations there. And also they're introducing a couple new planter features, and here to talk about it is Luke Van Hurley. And tell us about, first of all, the new grain cart.
Good morning, Jody. Thanks for stopping by our booth. It's all about innovation. We are, as you said, we had already shown prototype models of our dual auger, corner auger carts. Now we have production models here, and we thought we'd show it off a little bit, so we have it on a turntable rotating around. What's important about it is it's the first dual auger, corner auger cart on the market that has a tilting and pivoting auger. This allows the operator, it gives you an extra 2 feet of horizontal and vertical margin to really adjust exactly where you want to offload the grain into the semi. Very important, has a very high offload speed, so you want to make sure that you hit the semi in the right place. We do have hydraulically controlled flow gates in the bottom of the cart, so you can regulate exactly at which speed you would like to offload the cart.
Okay, and this model's on tracks here, so you say a lot are going out with tracks. And do you have new sizes with this grain cart this year?
We do indeed, Jody. We have 4 sizes of this cart. We have a 900, 1100, 1300, and 1500 bushel capacity carts. And they come in, you have 3 undercarriage possibilities. You have flotation tires, which we've had before, or row crop tires, which we've had before, or tracks, which we've also had before. What has changed is the incidence of tracks. More and more growers are going to tracks because it helps them in compaction, and it also helps them do the harvesting if it's a little bit wetter than it should be.
Okay, yeah. And also you have 2 more innovations here on the planter side. Tell us about those.
We are super excited to introduce this at the show here. This is big news. As of next year's planting season, the 2013 planting season, our planter will be ISO compatible with any tractor and monitor that is also ISO compatible. So in other words, we've become color blind. Our planter will work with a green tractor, with a red tractor, with a green tractor. It doesn't matter what it is. This is what the rest of the world is already doing. It's now come to the United States.
And are you the first to do this with planters?
Well, with planters, as far as we know, yes. As far as being totally compatible with any ISO compatible monitor.
Okay, and also you had some new configurations for planters this year. Tell us a bit about those.
Yes, as we expand our product range, because obviously we want to be the planter of choice for operators, we find that there was a niche in our product line offering, our portfolio, for 20-inch and 22-inch spacing. And it might sound like a weird spacing, but sugar beet growers, who are very large growers, typically they like to plant on 22-inch spacing, and they like to have just one planter to also go to corn and go to beans as they rotate their crops like they do if you're into good land management. So we're very proud to introduce that here, 24 rows on 20 or 22-inch spacing with bulk fill and all the usual attachments that you can get.